What's going on? It's Sunday. It's March like 26th, I believe, 25th, something like that. I don't know the date right now, but this is my new Harbor Freight U.S. General 72-inch tool storage cabinet. Now, everybody knows me. No, I don't really rock the red at all. So I'm recording this so you can see that, yeah, it's red now, but when I'm done with it, it comes with like a really crappy little vinyl pad. It's sticking really good. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna get that off. I think I gotta use a heat gun or whatnot, but I gotta take that off. It comes with tape covering this up, and these are the keys. There's probably 4 of them. Generally 4 of them, so you can have one at your job site, one on your personal property, and then another one in like a safe. And then if you have a partner or something that sometimes uses your tools, or if y'all share it, if there's a company, it can, it could be multiple people using it. So that's probably what it's for. But it has locks, as you see on these drawers, something that my previous toolbox did not have. So that's a plus. Plus, it has these huge wheels, which is great because it got the springs, and it means it can hold a lot of freaking tools. Matter of fact, when I did the comparison to Snap-on and Matco, not only does the same size box, which is a 72-inch U.S. General box, has at least more space than, and it's kind of crazy. When I mean space, I'm talking about cubic inches. Not only does it have more cubic inches than Snap-on and the Matco, but based on the weight capacity, it's equivalent to a Snap-on weight capacity. Actually, it holds, I think, 300 pounds more than Snap-on, and it's 50 pounds less as far as weight. And then with Matco, it doesn't hold as much weight, but the price that you pay compared to the Matco one, you can buy like 10 of them. So it's well worth it. So this is my review, and I hope you like this. Again, this is a U.S. General 72-inch box, and that's the packaging it comes in. So as you see, there's no mark on mine, but they seal it up pretty well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, God bless.